Hello. Have you ever wondered how scientists organize the millions of different living things on Earth? Well, that's where classification comes in. Today we're going to explore how organisms are classified based on their shared characteristics, focusing on the famous Linnaean System and its modern expansion of the concept of domains. Imagine a giant library filled with books, each representing a different species. To find a specific book, you'd use a classification system, like organizing the books by author, genre, or topic. Similarly, scientists use classification systems to organize and understand the vast diversity of life. The most widely used classification system is the Linnaean System, developed by Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century. This system uses a hierarchical structure, starting with broad categories and narrowing down to specific groups. The highest level in the Linnaean system is the domain. There are 3 domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Bacteria and archaea are made up of single-celled organisms without a nucleus, while eukarya includes all organisms with cells that have a nucleus. Within each domain, there are further levels of classification. Kingdom, the next level down, grouping organisms with similar characteristics, for example, animals, plants, fungi, and protists all are in different kingdoms. Phylum. Within each kingdom, organisms are further divided into phyla based on shared characteristics, such as body structure or developmental pattern. Phyla are divided into classes, which group organisms with even more specific similarities. Order. Classes are divided into orders. Family. Orders are divided into families. Genus. Families are divided into genera. And species, the most specific level representing a group of organisms that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. So how does this work in practice? Let's take the example of humans. Humans belong to domain Eukarya, kingdom animal, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo, and species Sapiens, so Homo sapiens. This hierarchical system helps us understand the relationship between different organisms and how they have evolved over time. By studying the characteristics of different groups, we can learn about their evolutionary history and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. So the next time you look at a tree, a bird, or even yourself, remember the incredible journey of classification that has led us to our understanding of the vast and interconnected web of life. Thank you for watching.